Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new video on 1-2 Step. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to search Tinder profiles by name without account. If you don't have an account of Tinder and you want to search up some profiles on Tinder, let me show you the process of doing it. You do not need to create an account of Tinder to watch any of the profiles. You just open up your web browser and search for site tinder.com and add in an @ and the profile name. So you'll need to know the name or the username of the person that you are trying to search on Tinder. If you don't know their usernames on Tinder, you wouldn't be able to search it. If you do know the name or the username, type in site tinder.com and @ their usernames. Hit search and the results will show up. It's going to be the first result. You can open up this link and it's going to show you the exact person that you're trying to search. If you want to search multiple person, you can remove the existing name and search for any other name or the exact username that the person has, and the profile will show up on the search results. So that was the video on how to view profiles on Tinder without having an account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.